Hello guys, thank you for subscribing to this channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to add a custom background image in your OBS Studio headshot. So let's go. First of all, we need to create an image background size, and for us to do that, I have Corel Draw 2021 installed on my computer. So I'm going to launch that. You can also do what I'm about to show you here on Canva. So if you want me to show you how to go about this on Canva, then you can leave a comment in the description box below and I will get right into it. So this is the welcome screen of my Corel Draw 2021. Click on new document to commence a new project, but then I'm going to show you the right way. So I'm going to ditch this welcome screen, click on the file menu, new, and here I will name my project headshots filter. So it's gonna be a custom size 1280 pixel by 720 pixel. As you can see, we're gonna leave the resolution to 300 dpi and click on OK. So let me zoom down the page so you can see what I'm about to do. So this is the size we defined on Corel Draw, which is the standard aspect ratio for 16:9 video. So I'll click on the pick tool, and now I need to add a rectangle of similar size. Here we're going to give it a width of 1280 by 720. Hit the enter key on your keyboard and hit the P key on your keyboard to center the new object we just added. So this will serve as the background of our background image. So we're gonna give it color black, and we are going to remove the outline, set it to none. So now we need to draw a perfect circle. So because the background image we want to add in our OBS Studio should take a circular form where the head will be showing. We need to select these two, ellipse tool, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, left click and drag down. We need to make it a circle of 600 pixel. Hit the P key on your keyboard, give it color white, remove the outline, set it to none. That is all we have to do. Click on the file menu to export the background. Okay, we're gonna save it to the download location and click on export. So that will be it for the background image. Now we need to head back to OBS Studio to add the image to our headshot background. I will add a new video capture device. Click on OK. Now I will right click on the new video capture I added and click on filters. So once you click on filters, this will pop up on your screen. Click on the add button in the effect filter panel. Click on that add button and select image max blend. You can name it if you want, but I can proceed just like this. Click on OK. Now here, these are the channels that the blend uses for the masking of the background. So I'm going to leave it at the current channel, which is the alpha max color channel. Click on browse and go to download where we have it saved and select it. Click on open. As you can see, it has added the background in my headshot. So I'm going to close that. This is how to add a custom image background to your OBS Studio headshot. If you want me to create more valuable content like this one, encourage me by subscribing to this channel, like and share. See you in the next one.